Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to power off Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, actually if you want to turn off the power of the cell phone, usually we just long press on the power button over here like this. And then there will be a menu like this, and then go to power off, and now you can turn off the power of your phone. But I have the second way to do that is from accessibility. Okay, now go to settings menu, and then here you can scroll down and go to special function guys, and from here you can go to accessibility, go to accessibility menu, and then here you can turn on the shortcut of accessibility. Click low, and then okay, now you can click the shortcut and click power, and then click for power button and click again to turn off the phone. Alright guys, so it's easy, right? And here's the tutorial on how to turn off power of Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.